everyone, I'm Abby.
And I'm Emily.
And we are back with another how-to with SBBlooms, where we show you trending Pinterest pins recreated with our premium silk wedding flowers for rent. This week we got a special request from one of our creators that we're working with for our upcoming wedding in September. Her name is Elizabeth, and here is her inspiration picture. So a little bit about Elizabeth and her ceremony request. So she loved the garden roses in Charlotte. That's why we mostly use Charlotte. Since we don't offer customizations, there were a few flowers in the collection that she didn't really care for, which is totally fine. So we also incorporated Olivia Posies throughout because we really wanted to break up that pink cabbage rose with something light and ivory cream. So that's what you'll see behind us. She wanted this crescent shape, so we manipulated our garlands to kind of get that shape. You'll see it all when we go through the steps, but yeah, so this is what we created for you, Elizabeth. Yes. I hope you love it.
So the products that you'll need to recreate this look are 2 short gold stands, 1 tall gold stand, 3 Charlotte Garland, 18 Charlotte aisle markers, 10 Olivia Posies.
Yeah.
And zip ties, lots of zip ties, which can be found in our Amazon storefront in the description if you're interested in getting any of our tools. We have everything listed in there. Yes. So,
alright, now let's get into it. We're going to start with 3 stands. We have 2 short. We're gonna put them on top of each other. We're gonna connect them, and then we have 1 tall stand on the, if you're looking at it, right side. So we're gonna do that with zip ties. Now we're gonna attach our garlands to the tallest side, so the left side. We're gonna use 4 garland here. We're gonna give it height by attaching like 1/4 of the garland up high and zip tying it to the leg of the stand, and we want a little bit of the garland to go up. It's eventually gonna make a crescent shape all the way down, so we're just gonna build the garland up on this side. So we're gonna do another garland
down at the right here,
a little bit past the spot we connected the stands at, and that's gonna make sure that the shape of the garland, because we are manipulating it to get a specific shape, that's gonna ensure that the shape stays. The second garland to the garland that's already attached, and just kind of build off of it. See in there, we're zip tying it to the other garland. We're securing it again.
We're gonna start this one lower to kind of give it a trailing effect. And you're going to attach it to the other garland that you just put, so it's not so tight. And then secure it there. Imagination movers.
Imagination movers. Imagination movers. Does everyone know what that is, or is it just... I mean, they're very well known,
They're
right?
like, get up, get up, get up.
Imagination movers. The guy with the long hair was from... Is that the one that lives here now? This guy?
Yes. Roll the long hair. Cody's mom's roommate. I mean, roommate. Okay, that's enough of imagination movers.
We're gonna build aisle marker clusters. We are gonna do our clusters with aisle markers and posies. So we're gonna do 1 large cluster with 6 aisle markers and 3 posies, and then we'll do 3 small ones with 4 aisle markers and 2 posies.
Yeah. And we're hiding this flower.
Yes, so the creator was very specific on the flowers that she liked and disliked, which is great. Although we don't offer customizations, we came up with a plan that would make it work. She is absolutely obsessed with the cabbage rose and the Charlotte collection. That's why we're doing mostly Charlotte. But she did not want the anemone. So that is why we're doing so many aisle markers and posies in one cluster. So we're really going to be able to hide this from her. And then again, all of the stems are wire based, so once we put it on the structure and if we see any poking out, we can just easily bend them back to kind of hide it and not be like the focal point.
Yep. So first you're gonna have your aisle marker. It'll come with ribbon attached and a little hook, so we won't really need these two things. So you're gonna take the ribbon and you're gonna wrap it around the center to hide. And then you're gonna have it like this. You're gonna do that to all 6 of them. The first thing you're gonna do is take the 2. You're gonna put it tail in and then the tail in on this side, opposite ends. You're gonna zip tie this to the end of this. Is this making sense?
Zip tie this to this and then zip tie that to this.
Yeah.
And then zip tie that to this and that and this to that.
And once you are you making fun?
No.
And once you have these, it's a perfect base to add on. So now you're gonna get this and zip tie this to this. And which is going to be a little bit lower than this one.
And what do we say? Trust the process. Because it is a process. And you might be thinking, what in the heck?
Yeah.
But trust us.
And then you're going to take another you're going to put it on the opposite side. You're going to zip tie that to that. When in doubt, just keep zip tying.
Yeah. Okay.
We have 2 more to add, which will be in the obvious spot of this.
Charlotte is really such an underrated collection.
No, it really is. Like, and then you'll add the other one right here. And it's like a swag.
It really is.
Cluster. Double up. The zip ties.
Big mama, big mama. Attach it to our stand and then we'll add the posies. We're really just zip tying it to the back of the stand. Do make a swag.
Yeah.
If a collection you're interested in does not have a swag, just make an aisle marker cluster with 6 aisle markers.
Yes.
And then you're just gently move it around, fluff it up, really get that look you want.
Okay.
It's so cute. You have your crescent shape on the outside. You have pretty much a make your own swag right here. Wait. You're gonna just need 4 aisle markers and 2 posies per cluster. But stay tuned.
4 aisle markers.
Cute.
And then we're gonna zip tie.
I'm just gonna film this one.
Yeah. So this is the
Cute.
result.
Okay, so we're gonna make 2 more of these.
Yeah.
So we have not added the Olivia aisle markers, posies just yet. This is just Charlotte aisle marker clusters.
So I'm gonna focus on this little bar, and I'm gonna use the hook and the stem to one of the flowers to connect it. Don't tighten it all the way.
Through the center. Could you do it up here? Would that be better?
Maybe. Two, cluster three, cluster four, all together. What's more?
Yeah.
Okay. Right here.
Yeah, that looks nice.
Are you being for
No,
real?
it's cute.
Okay.
I'm actually really loving this color palette. It's like creamy ivory pink
Creamy.
goodness. Almost like peaches and cream. Peaches and cream. I'm a little lad. Peaches.
Then when you walked up, it clicked. I was like, wait. She's actually so right. Why did I do this? Okay.
It's all part of the learning experience.
And then the next one.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how much learning have you done?
By working here?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
10 for sure. For me too.
For sure. 10. Like more than I've learned in college.
Yeah. Okay.
Seriously, Abby, like, wow. That really makes you think.
So fun fact about this wedding, Elizabeth is a creator of ours getting married in Santa Barbara.
Fun.
And this will be, her ceremony backdrop is like this water fountain.
Ooh.
Circle water fountain. It's huge. And the two stands will be on either side of the fountain, and they will get married in between the two stands.
And put it behind the pink rose, and you'll stick it in there. So hide this puppy. One time there was a fly, we were doing a photo shoot, and it landed on Abby's mouth, and
Put your fingers.
I shoved my fingers in her mouth.
I don't think I had any reaction.
She was like this. It was totally like
I forgot that happened.
It was totally like a quick reaction. Like I didn't know what to do, and I didn't want it to get in your mouth.
It was already in my mouth.
Oh gosh.
It's fine. It's fine.
And I was like, I am so sorry. I just shoved my fingers in your mouth. It was aggressive too.
Yeah, I didn't really know what hit me.
Okay, so double up the zip tie. I'm keeping that in. Double up the zip tie. Like, put two together. And then you'll not tighten all the way. But just until you get...
Look what I just found in the carpet.
What?
You know what that is?
That's our
This little
school.
piece we've been looking for. And there you have it, asymmetrical ceremony install featuring our Charlotte and Olivia collection. Elizabeth, we hope you love how it turned out. This is a bigger DIY level, but don't just get discouraged by that. It was pretty easy to do. Like all installs, there's some trial and error, but just trust the process and follow our video.
Yeah. So if you want to submit your own request and have your request be chosen, be sure to fill out the form in the description, and we will be sure to look at everyone's, and we might pick yours next. So if you like this video and you want to see more, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok so you can have a say in what we do next.
See y'all next time.
Bye.